Hi guys, this is a virtual machine, Arch Linux. I'm gonna play around with WM Wonderland. And at some point in time, the second, to be exact, the 2nd December, we made the decision to format our system with XFS rather than with ext4. So one of the tutorials how to I don't think NeoFetch is already installed. No. So this is Arch, right? This is the phase 7, I think it is, on our website, where we say let's really go for the Arch way of installing, and this happens. So a quick message about the solution about this message. If we update our system, there is one package that's coming in, and that one package gives us issues. Maybe Eric, go get the DUF so everybody can see. DUF is a nice little tool that says we're on XFS. You see the first line there, root 15.7% XFS. So that's our system. When I update my system, sudo pacman -s, and that's gonna be in the title of our video online, it says here some kind of error message. Error. Commands fail to execute correctly. Image generation successful. So we have an issue. Another line above there, warning errors were encountered during the build. The image may not be complete. So, and again, that's the first message, fsck.xfs. So if you go for XFS, you go and learn some more. I haven't read anything. I just typed this, XFS or XFS, like this. So we have the dump and we have progs. I thought probably gonna be progs. So install this thing. And XFS, we have now more things, right? We have now more things in here. And the other one that we're missing was fsck, and there he is at the very end, fsck.xfs. So it's part of this application, and now this thing that ran into errors, I need to rebuild it. So two ways to do it. If you go for another installation, it's going to be fine. It's going to be doing the exact same thing as this one. So sudo mkinitcpio -p, and that's this time without errors, because this matters, right? This is your boot. So if the creation, what's inside boot, if that's not done, if these files are not there, of you interrupt them or they're corrupted, well, forget about booting up again. So that's another thing I've learned today, and I'm gonna share it with you. So xfsprogs is something in my head. I've put it on arcolinuxd.com on the article, so we don't forget that that is part of the operating system or of the formatting system. All right, cheers.